Yo, what is up guys? It's Panda and I'm back with another video. Today's video is about how Jnug and Jdst have been performing the past couple of days and what we can expect for the rest of the week and going into the next couple weeks. So I know I haven't been here for a couple of days, maybe a week and a half. That was because of school. I have to keep that in authority, obviously. If I want to just do what I like to do. So I'm sorry for that, but just kind of moving on to two things. So if you guys don't know already, I'm in a Discord called the Cashout Clan. This is a Discord where we come together and help people that have just started to trade or also have already been trading for a while come together and learn how to trade and just excel together as a group and learn together as a group. We'll do call outs, all that sorts of stuff. If you guys are interested, you guys have to be 19 and under for now. Just trying to keep a simple age range right from here, and then we'll just keep on expanding as we get more interest. I'll put a Discord link down in the description below. It will be the first link there. And please join. I'll be changing the link every single hour, so anyone that has been banned or kicked from miscellaneous reasons cannot come back in. So kind of moving back into the video. So JDST has been performing pretty poorly for the past couple of days. This is because it's just started from an uptrend of around $2 and just kept on going down, hit a low of $1.12 yesterday, and then today it started to pick up its pace again. This is because of how the gold price has been working. The feds have obviously been pumping money into into all these industries, and one of them is gold. And this has kind of been pushing up a lot of money and making gold obviously go green, and this has been helping Jnug more than JDST. So kind of looking into how JDST has been performing. So obviously we know it's been a green market for the past couple of days, and really it's gotten to help Jnug more than JDST. Jnug started from around a $5.80 and kept on continuing. It almost hit a high of $8.11. This is a really good thing for Jnug if anyone's in that. So if you're in Jnug, I would say you guys are good to go. You guys will see a lot more increase in the next couple of days, but that probably will come down to a little lower of a price starting next week possibly. This is because of a reverse split that is happening on Jnug, and this will help JDST increase its price per share. So I would say to look out for that, because that will help JDST go back up, because obviously you can kind of see the effects of that possibly happening. If it was going to happen, that would be on the 22nd of April most likely, or somewhere in that vicinity. So just kind of looking at this, just kind of how it planned out today. We can see that starting yesterday there was an increase, but then we saw a new high of 147. We can see that JDST is coming back. It's coming back slow, but it is coming back at a stable rate that we know that it might come back and hit another $2, but that'll probably be around until around next week. But really just watching out for that reverse split is very important. So kind of moving on to Jnug, we know that so how we just talked about JDST, it's been going down, it's just been coming back up. So I think we can expect JDST to start going a little bit more higher, and then when this reverse split happens, we can see JDST to start going even more higher than we could possibly see. So moving into Jnug, for the past couple of days, it's been really doing well. From a $5.80 minimum last week, it just popped up all the way to the high of today of $7.07, an overall high, and the which was yesterday, was $8.11. That's really good for Jnug. You guys probably made a ton of profits off of that. Applauds to you. So kind of just looking at how Jnug went today, obviously it started off a little rough and then popped up all the way to a boost of $7.08 around. Hit its low of $6.28, which is okay, also not okay, but at the same time you can see it starting to increase back to $6.81, and then it bottomed out at $6.74 at the end of the market. And then after market, it's just been trailing down to 662. So I don't think a lot of people are speculating in the group chats that I've been, Learn Profit Plan, all those types of group chat, cash out, that people think that it might hit $9. There is a possibility before the reverse split, but as you come closer to reverse split, you kind of are seeing the effects, right? It's just not going as high as it used to be. But for probably for the end of this week, I think we can see Jnug still stay steady at where it's at, possibly hit that another $8 range, even possibly go higher. So I would say Jnug is something to look out for if you want to short it. But for JDST, this is something to look at in a couple, maybe 1 or 2 weeks to really push in. But right now is the time to buy, honestly. This is because of how low the price is. I don't think we'll see the price go back down this low for a little bit of time. So right now is the perfect buying point. Obviously we saw it ended at 142 right at the end of aftermarket. But I do think if you guys can wait it out throughout the day, you guys will see the lows where you want to see it and kind of hit up JDST and get in that buy. So that's kind of what we have. So I'll talk about how I've been playing Jdst and Jnug. I haven't been playing Jnug at all. I've been watching it, understanding how it's been working. So if I were to go into it, but I have not gone into it. The only time I'll go into Jnug if it goes onto $5.80 or lower, because that's when I know the price will go back up, and I'll hit that as a long term after the reverse split, because I know the price will start to go a ton more down. JDST, I'm gonna go. I already had a couple of shares. I made some profit today. I sold off. I'm gonna go back in at the same price, 138 or lower. This is just because I know I can make a lot more profit with this reverse split coming up. And that's gonna be important for me to kind of boost my portfolio, right? So I honestly, the reverse split is something to look out for. I believe it is on April 22nd. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. Um, so that's kind of what we have for Jnug and JDST. So JDST in these next couple of weeks, so you will probably want to swing trade this until the reverse split and see how high this goes, and then sell off there. Jnug is a shorting method right now. Short this week, and then up to the reverse split, hopefully, and you guys can keep on making some profits. So that's kind of where we're at for Jnug and JDST. Some other things I've been looking at is you guys. I've been trying to go into this to make some profit. Obviously we saw that you guys was at $22.41. We can see it probably go down to $20 to $19 starting tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna go into that because then I can see it going back up to probably around $29, even higher, just to make some nice profit off of that. I'm gonna swing you guys. I know that's not something you're supposed to do, but I can see a possibility and an increase in you guys by swinging it. Another company is XSPA. It's kind of like a coffee shop type of company. Express. It's a company to look at. It's very volatile. It really does well in the aftermarkets and the pre-markets, as you guys can see. Around the end of the day, you'll see its lowest lows in the beginning of the day up to around 12 o'clock, and then you'll start seeing an increase in the price. I'm gonna try going back into this. Right now I have nothing in my account. I sold off everything today. Sorry for the voice crack. So yeah, I'm gonna buy in for that tomorrow. So I'm just trying to figure out how to balance out my Jdst and Jnug and these other types of stocks. I'm trying to vary my portfolio so I can get a nice profits in. I'm after the reverse split, I'm gonna go into Jnug, kind of hold that and JDST and holding positions, because I know if I can swing these for a good amount of time, I know the price will go up a lot more, because looking at, I know it's a both of them are 2-time ETFs, but I think that these can go very high actually, 1 year, 1 day. Just look at where it was, $55.86. Just looking at that, and then at the 2019 year, $14. Just look at Jnug here. Yeah, just looking at it, it just is in the $100 range, close to that $60s to $100 range. That's something really good to look at if you guys are looking to swing. That's a possibility to it for happen, but honestly, you guys would probably be seeing a little lower than that, because it is a 2-time ETF, unless it's somehow after the virus it does go to a 3-time ETF again. So that's kind of what we have for Jnug and JDST. Please keep this in mind. Take everything with a grain of salt, obviously. Keep on doing your own due diligence. Watch the stock market closely in Jnug and JDST. Watch the future slash GC, and then if you guys are interested, I will be putting down the Discord link again. 19 and under for now. We will be expanding the age range soon. I'll refresh the link every single day for you guys, and if you guys have any questions, please comment them down below. That'll be greatly appreciated. I'll see you guys probably on a Friday. Just because I have school, I'm just trying to fit in everything very nicely. That's kind of what I have for you guys. If you guys have not, please subscribe and hit that comment. And please subscribe and hit that like button down below. And please comment down below what you guys want to see next. Any questions, any suggestions for me, and hopefully I can get back to you guys. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and peace out.